Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix the error notification when we try to download the map from my PUBG mobile account and it says failed to download map error code 2638127112, something like that. So without wasting any time, let's get started. A very simple method to fix this issue, we just have to go to App Store or Play Store and search for Turbo VPN. After searching the Turbo VPN, download and install. I already download and install this application, so just we have to tap on open. When we tap on open, then this window will appear and we have to tap to connect on a carrot. Next, this window will appear and next try to connecting and a running rabbit run on your screen. It will take hardly minute or less than a minute to connect. After connected, it shows connected to the United States server and also it shows the time duration. Now open your PUBG and PUBG creator is ready to play, and when you try to download PUBG map and it does not show any kind of error notifications. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.